The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla. Big up and respect to each and every one, you know. And it look like it's a whole heap of things that happen all over the world with this whole New Year's, which is the 2020, just coming. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, you know, people within the Bahamas Islands, you know, persons within Bahamas, they are talking and they are saying that something had happened that is said to be police brutality. You see what I'm saying to you? And they are talking about an incident or some things that has happened during the whole Junkanoo parade for the year 2020, right? Which is known as the 2020 Junkanoo parade within the Bahamas Islands, right? Now, viewers and subscribers, there is a few pieces of videos that is circulating on social media showing off the police officers, which is Bahamian police officers, hitting persons and searching persons and other things as well, you know. And these are the videos that are out on social media where persons, you know, are talking about saying that it is police brutality and all kind of other things that have been said. All right. Now, viewers and subscribers, it is said that persons had been arrested. However, I do not know how many persons had been arrested by the Bahamian police officers, nor do I have any information as to what could have caused for the police officers, which is the Bahamian police officers, having to use excessive force during the whole Junkanoo parade, which is the 2020 Junkanoo parade that had been held within the Bahamas. It is said that members of the press, right, like newspaper company or, you know, so on, you know, news reporter, so forth, it is said that they tried to contact the Minister of National Security for the Bahamas, and it is also said that he had replied saying that he's not in the position to say anything about what had happened at the moment about the whole thing where it says that police officers hit persons during the whole Junkanoo parade, you know, the whole 2020 Junkanoo parade. But anyways, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to put together a few pieces of these videos so that you can have a look at it and you can also tell me what you think, you know. But viewers and subscribers, before I show you these videos, I have to warn you that some of the scenes in these videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Again, I'm going to say some of the scenes in these videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? And if you like how I present my videos to you, you can let me know in the comment section. And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Alright? Observe.
You know they joking, look. They're fucking joking. Oh my god, look what they fucking
Alright, viewers and subscribers, there you have it. You don't know me there, so if you keep you up to date and posted, make you know what go on. Alright, so until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it.